Hi everybody, welcome back to my shoemaking channel. Today we are diving into something super cool, making your own shoes. If you're a beginner and always wanted to learn shoemaking, this video is for you. We'll be talking about very useful information, an article that breaks down shoemaking for beginners, meaning for you. And that's a great place for you to get started. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. So let's get started.
Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses.
The first question that comes into your mind is, where do I begin? As always, beginners think about industrial machines, tons of tools and materials, and it's overwhelming. The reality is that you don't need that much to get started.
Part the hammer that we use as leverage during lasting process.
More than this, it's important to start with basic tools and materials, and there is an article that I broke down into steps with full explanation to guide you to the smooth start. You need to set for yourself the end goal, what you want to achieve. I want to give you the knowledge to make real shoes, not shoes that only good enough for a picture on your Instagram account, but a real shoes that you can make for yourself or your family and even start your own business. And you will find a great example in this article about one of my students that came from zero knowledge in shoemaking to launching your own shoe brand. So you need to learn the process, to understand the process. So you won't just follow along, but you will understand how it's simply done. The core of shoemaking is pattern making, and I always repeat this thing, but it's true. So I will show you the tools you should use for pattern making and the main steps that repeat
Silver
in
pen
almost every
to
shoe
mark
type that you will make.
lines. Owl, because working with owl we can mark some points and lines. We will use it a lot in this course. The edge of the midsole that we need to cut.
Which materials we use in shoemaking? There are many that you can use, but again, focus on the best materials for you as beginners in shoemaking. Tools in shoemaking, and yes, tools for beginners. When I say for beginners, I don't mean any DIY tools. I'm only mentioning professional shoemaking tools that you must learn how to use them. Process of shoemaking repeats itself all the time, and I will explain each step. I will give you a time frame, how much it takes to make shoes, but remember that with every new pair you make, the process becomes faster. To give you an easy start, I will show you a few places where you can get most of the tools and materials online. You can find the link to the full tutorial in the description below this video, so don't miss it. And if you have questions, please comment below the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. So thank you for watching and see you in the next shoemaking tutorial. Bye!